Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a WhatsApp account from another phone. So let's get started. So not only just another phone, you can also remove WhatsApp account from another PC, another device, whichever you want. So to do that, you're going to open WhatsApp application and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all of these settings. So you're going to click on linked devices over here, and then you'll be able to see all of the devices that are linked currently with the same WhatsApp you're using right now. So what you're going to do is simply click on this any device you want, and then scroll down and you'll be able to see all the information regarding the device, whether it is active right now, the chat history, etc. And then you're going to simply click on log out. Once you do so, it's going to say log out from this device. Simply click on log out again. And now it says logging out. And now you can see that you have successfully removed the WhatsApp account from that device. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.